Imagine this. You open an old, dusty chest in your grandmother's attic, and inside, you find a map. Not a modern map, an ancient map, torn in half, drawn in a language you have never seen. And in the corner, in tiny English letters, 4 words that will change your life forever. Find the other half. This is the story of what happens next. In a small, quiet village in the hills of India, there lived a 12-year-old girl named Maya. Maya was not like the other children. While they played in the fields, Maya sat under a mango tree and read. While they slept in the afternoon, Maya asked questions. Big questions, like, why do some people have so much while others have so little? And the biggest question of all, what is the meaning of life? Her grandmother loved this about her. You have a hungry mind, she would say, gently touching Maya's forehead. One day, it will take you very far. Maya did not know how true those words were. One rainy afternoon in October, her grandmother called her upstairs. Her voice was soft but serious. Maya, she whispered, I have kept a secret for 70 years. I was waiting for the right person. I think you are the one. Maya's heart began to race. She climbed the narrow wooden stairs, step by step, into the attic. The air smelled like old paper and quiet memories. Cobwebs hung from the ceiling like silver curtains. And there, in the darkest corner, beneath a red cloth, was a small wooden chest. Inside the chest, there was only one thing, a piece of paper. Old, yellow, almost orange with age. It was torn in half. On it, careful drawings, mountains, a river, a tall building with a shining light at the top, and words written in many different languages. It was half of a map. Grandmother, Maya called. What is this? Her grandmother climbed the stairs slowly and stood beside her. Her eyes were full of emotion, part sadness, part hope. That map has been in our family for 500 years. It shows the way to a place called the Library of Infinite Wisdom. It is said, inside this library, there are answers to every question in the world. But our half is not enough. Somewhere in this world, someone holds the other half. Maya looked closely, studying every line, every symbol, and then, in the corner, she saw a message. The other half waits where the river meets the ancient wall. Seek the old teacher. City of the Dragon's Back. Maya's mind moved quickly. City of the Dragon's Back? She had read about it before. Beijing, China. She looked at her grandmother. I need to go to China. Her grandmother did not look surprised. She simply nodded, as if she had been waiting her whole life to hear those words. That night, Maya lay in bed, thinking about destiny. How sometimes you don't choose your path. Your path chooses you. She fell asleep just before dawn, holding the half map against her heart. But the next morning, she woke to a knock. Slow, heavy at the door. She walked downstairs and stopped. Her grandmother stood very still. At the door was an old man, very old, with kind eyes and white hair, dressed like a traveler who had walked many miles. and in his hands, he held something, carefully. A piece of paper, old, yellow, torn on one side, just like Maya's. Curiosity is the first step toward your destiny. Never stop asking questions, because sometimes the answer doesn't wait for you to find it. It comes and knocks on your door. Now, let's learn some powerful words from this story. Word 1, mysterious, meaning strange, secret, and unknown. Example, the old chest looked very mysterious. Word 2, ancient, meaning very, very old, hundreds or thousands of years old. Example, the map was ancient, drawn 500 years ago. Word 3, discover, meaning to find something for the very first time. Example, Maya was about to discover a great secret. Word 4, curious, meaning wanting to know more, full of questions. Example, are you curious about what is inside the chest? Word 5, destiny, meaning the special future that is waiting for you. Example, some people believe destiny chooses you before you know it. Now, listen and speak with me. Her heart beat fast. Her heart beat fast. She climbed the narrow wooden stairs. She climbed the narrow wooden stairs. Someone holds the other half. Someone holds the other half. Your path chooses you. Your path chooses you. He held something very carefully. He held something very carefully. Now, I have a question for you. If you found an ancient map in your grandmother's attic, where in the world would it lead you? Tell me in the comments below. I want to know your answer. If this story made you curious, if you want to know who that old man is, what happens when the two halves of the map are joined, and where this journey leads, then subscribe to this channel right now and tap the bell, because story 2 is coming very soon. Who is this old man? How did he know where to find Maya? And what will happen when the two halves of the map come together? Part 2 is called The Old Teacher's Secret. I will see you there.